a couple days away, but the deals are already happening at the stores right now. So let's talk the best prices for video game consoles. The Xbox One S console bundle is on sale for $229 at Amazon right now. It's less at Best Buy, $199 is that price. Wait until Wednesday to spend the same amount at Walmart. Costco charges $199 as well, but there's a bonus. A 3-month Game Pass, that's $30 in savings. Still, the best deal that we found is at GameStop. You're going to pay $199 on Thursday, and what makes the deal even better is that you also get a $50 gift card with a purchase of an Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, or PlayStation 4. Now, if you prefer Nintendo Switch, you can get the bundle for $299 at Walmart, Best Buy, and GameStop. But don't forget, you can also get that $50 gift card at GameStop, making the offer even better. Kohl's also has a really great deal, though. I consider this one the best with all the bonuses. For $329, you get the bundle with a Turtle Beach headset plus $90 in Kohl's cash for you to spend. Now, if you prefer the good old-fashioned board games like myself, I love Candyland, so does my mom, just stop on over to Walmart because they are just $5. Now, with prices on all of those other gaming consoles, just go to abc15.com/smartshopper.